Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Sundance Now on your Vizio SmartCast TV and link it to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio SmartCast TV and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Press the V button or Home button on your Vizio remote to open the SmartCast home screen. Step 3. Navigate to the App Store or search for apps using the search icon. Step 4. Search for the Sundance Now app by typing Sundance Now into the search bar. Step 5. Select the Sundance Now app from the search results and click Install or Add to My Apps. Step 6. Once the app is installed, open it from your list of apps. Step 7. The Sundance Now app will display an activation code on your TV screen along with instructions to visit sundancenow.com activate. Step 8. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to sundancenow.com activate. Step 9. Log in to your Sundance Now account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for a subscription first. Step 10. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the provided field on the website. Step 11. Click Activate or Submit to complete the linking process. Step 12. Return to your Vizio SmartCast TV and wait for the app to refresh and display your Sundance Now content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.